what addicts are looking for, and for those who are chronically sick, chronically poor, who can't afford rehabilitation, are looking for detox beds and are looking for a residential treatment. We've only about 30 detox beds. Beg your pardon?
Why is it either or?
Because all you're doing is actually prolonging addiction. You're supporting addiction.
Okay.
And this is what's happening.
Mannix, you're very wrong. There is over 787 residential detox beds right across the country, and people on a daily...
Not for these individuals.
Mannix, people on a daily basis are being brought through into different services and people going into it. And I do agree, and that's why the money as part of the budget is going to facilitate more detox beds, because we do need more. There is over 787 residential detox beds right across the country.